when I came there, it was a reactive maintenance program. We didn't fix it till it broke. The old, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. We fix it now before it breaks, because we don't want road breakdowns, because that's unsafe for our children on the bus. And we were having numerous breakdowns when I first got there. So how can we eliminate these breakdowns? And one of the ways is through proactive maintenance, which Servicefinder is really going to help us greatly with. For example, a battery, the shelf life of a battery is generally about 5 years. So Servicefinder will put that on a timer for us, so that when that time runs out, it alerts the mechanic that it's time to replace that battery, or it could be a hose or a belt, or those things that tend to be wear parts, and we do it before it dies, in the yard or on the road or someplace where we have to go rescue it and fish it out.
A breakdown costs significantly more when it happens en route. And forecasting breakdowns is not fortune telling. It's about tracking, measuring, and being proactive. To find out how Servicefinder can spare you headaches and save you dollars, go to transfinder.com.